Okay, let's move down the line. Next box. Got a lot of stamps on that one. See? Lots of stamps. Mom likes stamps, so we're good. I don't know what that is yet. Ah, hey, don't poke yourself. It's a nice doll, but it will poke. It doesn't want to cut at all. But it will poke the piss out of you. No blood yet, so I guess it's good. What do we got here? Looks like a bunch of junk. That is what you call a box of junk. So it looks like an air stack, air cleaner. Now if you want to make your bike run absolutely like garbage, put this over your air intake. So I put my carburetor, but I got a big open velocity stack. If you put this over it, if you can't see that light through the stack, how's the air going to go through there? So garbage. Make good for a sink drain maybe. Okay, this looks like a rigid frame battery lid. What's this here? Some kind of, that might be a speedo or a tack or something. There's a 140 mile an hour speedometer. It says mile per hour. Got 795 miles on it. I bet you it doesn't work. Made in Japan. That'd be a good one. Yeah. Oh well. Not concerned about that one either. Distributor lid for a circuit breaker for an old bike. Or is that a starter? Oh, no, that's a starter housing. That's a starter cover. Yeah, I thought it was good. Oh, that is a premium quality piece. Look at that. Virgin, almost. That's another piece of crap. So this might be usable. That's crap. That's good. There's why I bought it. And I knew the box. I bought the box of junk. Okay, what is this? It's a yellow pinion gear. 86. That's gonna be for a sportster. Geez, who's working on sportsters around here lately? Oh yeah, me. Race bike shit. Yeah, we'll see what's in that. I probably bought this whole box of crap for less money than that one gear cost. This is a shock cover or something. Oh yeah, these are some vintage shock covers, already rusted. Those are a great piece of trash. Oh, a muffler tip for a megaphone. Oh yeah, everybody needs one of those. Hey, anybody wants one of these? I might be able to do a deal. Oh, that's separate. That is a boot for a master cylinder for a pan head. Rear. Yeah, okay, anybody need one of these? I got one. Make you a hell of a deal on it. Might be $1. That's $1. Oh, now that, there you go. Everybody's got to have one of those. A horn. Looks like it fell off a Honda. You think it works? Well, the next question is, you think I have a battery around here that even works? Let's see, here's an old race bike battery. Maybe it's got some juice in it. Works great. Perfect. Right to the winner pile. More shock covers, alright. Oh, the same vintage quality as the other ones. Now these appear for a sportster because they look short. Or am I just getting old? Those are probably big twin. Yeah. 2 sets of them. Oh, that one's definitely vintage there. This one's still usable. So if you're going to make a black bike, these are great. Other than that, they're garbage. What's this here? Oh, isn't that custom? That's called butchered. So this is a 45 flathead clutch arm. Obviously they had some issues with their lever, or they had a custom cable on it. It's definitely custom. I'm not sure what the reason for all that work is. The value in this is in the bolts right here. Yeah, those are good, and surprisingly the pivot's still good. But that's riveted in. That'd be a pain in the ass to get that out. So I'll keep it for the bolts, but other than that, that's garbage. Oh, I thought that was an air cleaner. Oh, that's worth some money. Ooh, look at that. That's a rare part. If it's actually a Harley part. So this might be for an XLCH bike with a side oil tank on it. The kidney tank, 65 to 67. I think 68 they went to a push-in. That's assuming this is a Harley. It might be British. I don't know. I have to check to see if the thread works. It's fine thread, so who knows? It might work. Yeah, it's a pretty rare part. That might be worth something. I'll put that in a maybe pile. What else we got in here? Oh, look at that. We got a genuine custom kicker pedal minus the pedal part. It's got a chrome tube over it. Used to have a pedal on it, like a bicycle pedal. That's why there's a nut on the end. Yeah, great. That goes in a, yeah, it's better than nothing pile. Okay, so this is the good pile here. So we'll throw this in a trash pile. So if somebody wants this, they better hurry up and come get it. They might get a free set of shock tower still with it. Okay, that stuff's good. Okay, this is a brand new clutch basket for a shovel head. Electric start, big twin. So that is actually a pretty expensive piece there. Yeah, those will go for over 300 bucks these days, I think. Yeah, that's a good deal. That and the gear. There you go. The rest of the stuff I don't care about. Alright, let's see what this gear is. I bet you I didn't pay much for this whole pile. Sometimes you gotta get a lot of crap to get good parts. And most people on eBay can't see through the good parts, or through the junk parts to find the good parts. Okay, so this should have a spline. Look at that, it's got a spline on it. So if you have an S&S Sportster crank for your late bike, they eliminated the slip-on gear and went to a spline gear, so you need this gear. So, very important part. Harley doesn't make these anymore, and S&S gets premium dollars for them, assuming they even make them anymore. S&S is not making a lot of parts anymore. Now you can also use this on an old ironhead bike, like that piece of crap down there. If you, I think you got to cut the length back over here a little bit, and then you can make it fit. I've done that before, because the ironhead ones are not available. At least not as easy as Evo ones are. Oh, this one is already apart. Which means it's sitting right down here. There's a vintage used one right there. There's the other one right there. See, the only difference is you eliminate about that much off of it. There you go, and you make one. So I'll help you out by telling you how much you got to cut off. Okay, the good one is $8.75, and this piece of crap is a 1.131. So there you go, just a tick over a 1/4 inch. 5 thou over a 1/4 inch. We'll just call it a 1/4 inch. Shorten the 1/4 inch and it'll fit. Because everything else is the same. There you go. And if you need one of these and can't find it, you can take this one and put a spacer right there. And that'll work too. There you go. You can go both directions with it. This was made in 2000s probably, or something, late 90s with this packaging. Let's see, usually there's a year on these when they were made. Let's see here, down here, there it goes. 08. Right there. Date of manufacture, right there. See it? Alright, modern stuff. Very good. Alright, that's a good part, and that's a really good part. I like those. Alright, there you go. Box of junk for a couple good parts. Oh, and the rigid frame battery box lid's good too. Good item. That always helps too. But painted black, looks better.